Good morning, bug lovers of the United States. Today I'm going to do a valve adjustment on my 1600cc VW motor. What I'm going to start with is I've already kind of started. I got my rods to put in. Let's see here. I kept them all in order. It's very important, leave it on the same wear pattern. That's alright. In the seats. Already done. Get my nuts off here. Make sure your O-rings are down in there. Oops, some drops of oil on this. Get your rods all up in the rockers. One at a time. Kind of push the rockers in there a little bit. Little German wavy washers. Starting to finally warm up around here. About time. I got some painting to do. Finish my body parts. The rods are in there. Alright, go to the other side. Wavy washers. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we have the push rod in, and we have our rockers installed. Need my feeler gauges. Looking for 6 thousandths. Alright. Now the valves, I know VW says to adjust your valves at 4 thousandths on the intake and 6 thousandths on the exhaust, but here in Florida we do 6 thousand on both. It's better to have a loose valve than a tight valve. It's pretty hot down here in Florida. First thing we need to do is find top dead center. And I hope my distributor is already in there right. Let's turn the motor over and see where it's at when I'm on top dead center. Good, I got lucky there. Alright, let's top dead center. Let's see here. These are. Oh, nope, that's not. No. And this one should rock back and forth if you're on top dead center. And see, it's rocking back and forth. Alright, let's get back on top dead center. Alright. Alright, we're on the number 1 cylinder. We're on top dead center. And our rotor is pointing at number 1 cylinder. So, exhaust valves are on the outside. Push the bottom of the rocker up against the push rod. So you know you have all the plate. Now that exhaust is 6 thousandths. That's perfect. You just want a little bit of resistance. Now, let's get to the intake. Nope. too tight. Take your 13mm. Screw that. Shoo! A little thing was tight, wasn't it? Alright, we're loose. Let's back it off of here. This is the bottom of the rocker. Oh, it's still too much. See? Still too much. That feels kind of good. Make sure I'm going in there straight. Alright, I might have moved. Oh, no. I got a good little bit of resistance there, 6 thousandths, and the same there. Alright, now we turn this backwards to BDC, bottom dead center, which is marked, and that should be BDC. Number 2. Damn, that was tight. Alright, now I need to loosen those up. They're too tight. Let's try that out. That's good. Alright, let's get to our other one. See what we got here. Too much. There we go. That'll work. done. Turn it back again until you get to TDC. I was just thinking TDC, that's what we call Tongashan in Korea, stationed at Camp Casey. That's a long time ago. Alright. Now, we backed it up again. Now we're going to come over to cylinder number 3. Let's see what we got here. That's too tight. Let's first see what this exhaust is since it's moving. Oh, that's too tight. Hopefully that gives me, tightens up just a little bit. Out. Alright. Back one more time to do cylinder number 4. Alright. Well, that one feels good now. That feels good. That's good. See what we got over here. See what we got there. That's good. Alright. Now we've got all of our valves adjusted to 6,000ths, exhaust and intake.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching the video. So leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe for more VW restoration videos in the future, and
bugging.